Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Dandavats, Prabhu. Prabhu, today's purport was regarding Lord Indra and Prithu Maharaj. So generally, Lord Indra is like...
Lord Indra is?
his persona is like, he's a good person, kind of. But he changes his personality. Like, persona changes. So similarly, your grace, you would have seen a lot of people in your experience that externally some people will be looking like a devotee or a good person, but their intentions will be different. So is there any symptoms or any how to understand a person's intentions and motives? So externally everybody looks good, so everybody may project themselves as a good persona, but there are some hidden personality within myself or others.
So for that you have to see full 24 hours. Whether all the persona in him is Vaishnava persona. 24 hours. That means that is why you have to see actually the life of a devotee. So a pure devotee is consistent. His integrity cannot be broken. Whether morning, evening, night, sleeping, waking up, he is a Vaishnava always. Not that outside I am a Vaishnava and I close the door inside I am not a Vaishnava. Some other persona will come. Because I have to, everybody looks at me as a Vaishnava, I have to behave like a Vaishnava. When I go out, when you close the door inside, then nobody is looking at me. I can be what I am. I can be a sense gratifier. Correct? So, the way to find out somebody is to see his 24 hours. What is he doing 24 hours? And also, we have to understand that everybody goes through mixed devotion service too. One does not get 100% integrity overnight. There are old Maya personas inside us. So our soul is captured by the Maya personas, now and then. But that Maya persona, when we awaken, dependent on the holy name of the Lord, Deiviyesha gunamai mama maya duratteya mamaive prapadyante mayam metam tarantite. So by devotee depending upon Krishna only he can overcome that old Maya personas, completely changes old habits, old thinking, feeling, willing, old values, old way of seeing the world, everything changes. Then 24 hours he can be situated without falling down. So that is the thing. Indra is not a pure devotee. So it's understood that he will go on doing again and again, historically. You can be devotee and be in this world. Devotee means recognizing that my boss is Krishna or Vishnu. But what is the purity of that relationship? I have my desire, you will fulfill me. He has a desire for position. So he is sitting there as Indra, serving Krishna according to his order. Administration, material administration. As a king of heaven. And he is enjoying the perks of being there. Pure devotion service is not like that. He does not want any perks. Want to only serve and serve and serve and serve. Free from desire for sense gratification. So that is pure devotee. So it's not surprising. All devatas, kama bhaktas and akama bhaktas. Devotees with material desires, devotees without desires. It is left to the individual soul to decide, do I want to become pure devotee or not? That is why it is said that if you worship a spiritual master, it is as good as worshipping all the demigods. Some people sometimes say, why Prabhu, I have stopped worshipping demigod after coming to Krishna consciousness, am I doing some offenses? I used to worship before. Why you used to worship one demigod? Worshipping Prabhupada means equal to worshipping all demigods. That is the verdict of the Shastra. We are not even violating any material laws. Material means Vedic laws. We are not violating.